Welcome to our guide for the most captivating spring wreath ideas for your front door in 2026. Get ready to refresh your entryway. Spring wreaths are the perfect way to bring life and color to your home after the long winter months. It's time to set the tone for the season. 2026 promises a mix of traditional and unexpected styles, allowing you to welcome spring with personality and flair right on your front door. We'll be covering 4 exciting trends: the sleek minimalist, the vibrant floral statement, the cozy rustic farmhouse, and the cutting-edge geometric design. First up is the minimalist greenery trend, focusing on simplicity and elegance. Less is definitely more this spring. This look emphasizes beautiful, lifelike foliage like eucalyptus or olive branches, creating an understated but chic entryway. Finish off your minimalist wreath with a subtle ribbon accent in natural materials like linen, velvet, or jute for a touch of texture without overwhelming the design. Ready to make an impact? The bold floral statement trend is all about maximalist color and size. Think big. Incorporate large, dramatic blooms like peonies, oversized tulips, or dahlias to create an undeniable focal point. Don't be afraid to mix colors you wouldn't normally pair, such as neon yellow with soft lavender, for a truly modern and unexpected twist. For a warm and inviting look, the rustic farmhouse charm trend brings natural elements and cozy textures to your door. The foundation of this style is a natural grapevine or twig base, emphasizing organic texture and an unfinished look. Add charming accents like a small faux bird's nest, a personalized wooden sign, or natural burlap ribbon to complete the farmhouse aesthetic. Stepping into contemporary design, the modern geometric shapes trend offers a fresh, structural alternative to the classic round wreath. Look for non-traditional wreath shapes like squares, triangles, or even hexagons to give your front door a truly modern edge. These designs often use sleek metallic or wire frames as the primary element, with minimal foliage or single large blooms placed strategically. That wraps up our top spring wreath trends for 2026. We hope this gave you plenty of inspiration. From minimalist sophistication to bold floral statements and geometric innovation, there is a perfect spring wreath trend for every home in 2026. Why not try a DIY project? Customizing your own wreath ensures it's unique and perfectly reflects your personal style. Happy decorating!